So this device is Surface Duo. It's running Windows 11. No, Windows 10 X and not Andromeda operating system, just Windows 10, Windows 11 on it. This was accomplished by my dear friend Gustave Monce, and on it you can see, on the device you can see my applications that I designed and built based on the designs of original Courier that we leaked about, I don't know, 13 years ago. And it's a note-taking application. That's what the whole Courier and then Andromeda was designed to be used for. And here you can see how it had to be to work. So you just scroll around, and it's like a digital moleskine of sorts. You can click here, you can change paper. For example, you can use these dots, and you can actually do the same here as well. So you click here, click page, and you just drag and drop it here, and golden. And you can also write things like "Hello Courier." I'm actually left-handed, guys, so you can say something like Andromeda here, and you can also zoom out. And when you zoom out, you can do a search. So you can click here, and you can say something like and the interesting thing is, when you will click on the Microsoft, you can click search. Let's try this again. So I write down what I want to find. Okay, that's been wrong. Click and now I just write FT, and now and here you can see that once we clicked on Microsoft here, now it just scrolled to Microsoft. Now it's not super easy to do that while holding a phone, another phone, to record this. But as you can see, that's pretty much the idea how you would interact with something like Courier application on those screen device. Now, of course, you can zoom in again, and you can scroll, or easily the system would remember the kind of a paper you had on the screen. So it's pretty easy, and you can do the same here. It's very straightforward. This is just a very much a rudimentary user experience designed using UWP platform, which is no longer modern or anything, but it gets its job done on Windows 11. And I want to say special thanks to Component 1, whose book control made it possible to do this scrolling more or less smooth, and make it possible to work with this beautiful device and transform it into a digital moleskine. Thanks.